Okay, I'm just taking a look at my root system here to see if there's any roots that don't look very healthy. In doing that, I'm kind of breaking away some of the soil. You want nice, young, fibrous root hairs, which this plant has certainly got. And I'm just going to be real gentle about it, just to kind of pull away this sort of heavy loam that's on here. It's good to take a look at the roots to see if you have any kind of disease happening or decay, so that maybe you can amend your soil or put it in a better mix. They're very caked in the soil matter right now, so it's kind of hard to tell how white the roots are. So I'm just going to soak them a little bit, try to wash off a little bit of that soil matter here so you can sort of have a better look. And once I've done that, you can just see this is a very viable, healthy root stock. The plant has been trimmed back. It's completely prepared to be planted at this point, and everything looks really good.